Welcome to the Wonder Factory 3-gallon aquarium starter kit. Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of fish keeping? This kit is the most comprehensive all-in-one set available, including a rimless HD tank, double-layer lid, and a bottom filter system, among other accessories. Its innovative mini-bottom filtration system not only holds the filter media effectively, but also keeps the aquarium looking great. This aquarium is crafted from high-definition float glass that ensures a stunning viewing experience. This aquarium kit is not just a decorative piece, it promotes a sense of responsibility and interaction for the whole family. Ideal for small fish and low-space creatures like bettas and aquatic snails. Regular care is key. Should any problems arise, our dedicated customer service and 365-day warranty have you covered. If you're impressed, check the link below to purchase your very own Wonder Factory aquarium kit. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting reviews.